Lab-scale laser scribing system for thin-film solar module. Utilizing high-precision laser processing technology. Performs P1 P4 laser scribing and edge deletion on thin-film solar cells. Enables efficient series interconnection of subcells. Increases module output voltage and power. Suitable for the R&D and high-volume manufacturing of perovskite, OPV, CD, and other thin-film solar cells. Advantages: high compatibility. Compatible with a wide range of thin-film solar cell technologies, including perovskite, OPV, CD, and more. High reliability. Stable operation for long-term continuous production. High precision. High precision motion control ensures stable and consistent processing quality.